So, it would seem that some of you took issue with the fact that I said you couldn't make a TV. Someone said, how do you know I can't make a TV? And you know what? Hey, to your point, I don't. I don't know if you make TVs for a living. And also someone else was like, oh yeah? Well, your next video, I'm adding a lot of sass to it. It really was just like, hey, in your next video, you should make a TV. They were like, oh yeah? Well, your next video, you should make a TV. You think I can't make a TV? I run a whole damn channel making things here. You think I can't do it? Well, let me show you that I might be able to, perhaps, if this goes well.
And why would you try to make your mom a TV when you can make her a set of great notebooks following my tutorial down below, or some coasters?
And that was it. Full disclosure, I am shooting this outro before I even know what happened in the video. So this will be a surprise to us both. Roll the thing!